When people talk about Pampanga real estate, most people immediately think about Clark. And honestly, that makes sense. You have the airport, big developers, casinos, hotels, new roads, and major infrastructure projects. But personally, I think some of the more interesting opportunities today are actually the places people still ignore. Not the obvious areas, the quieter ones. Take Porac, for example. A lot of people still think Porac is too far. But if you look at what's happening now, you already have Tax access, Clark nearby, and major projects like Ayala Lands, Alviera Estate, slowly changing the area. And the important thing is, Porac still has space. That matters. Because once an area becomes fully developed, prices usually become much harder to enter. Then there is my favorite, Magalang. Honestly, I think Magalang is one of the most underrated areas in Pampanga right now. Why? Because people still see it as provincial, province. But that's exactly why it's interesting to me. It is near the Clark Growth Corridor. Prices are still relatively lower, and it hasn't exploded yet with speculation. Then you have the areas near Mabalacat, Bamban, and the new Clark City. A lot of people say, wala pa naman dyan eh. But if you think about it, major developments usually start exactly like that, di ba? Before BGC became BGC, it was basically empty land, di ba? Now, I'm not saying every area near Clark or New Clark City will suddenly boom overnight. Of course not. Some places will take years, some projects may fail, some areas are still speculative, but infrastructure changes things slowly over time. Once you have Tax, Clark Airport, industrial activity, logistics, and future business moving into the same corridor, the surrounding areas usually start changing too. Even places like Floridablanca, Guagua, and Lubao are becoming more interesting to watch long term. Not because they're suddenly luxury locations, but because accessibility slowly changes where growth happens. And honestly, I think one mistake many people make is comparing Pampanga today to what it used to be years ago, instead of looking at where the region could be heading 10 or 20 years from now. Because Pampanga today is no longer just a provincial market. It is slowly becoming part of a much bigger Central Luzon growth corridor connected to Clark, Subic, New Clark City, airports, industrial zones, and future infrastructures. And the funny thing is, the best opportunities usually don't look exciting in the beginning. They usually look too early, too empty, or even too boring. Until suddenly they are not. The question is, which Pampanga areas will people eventually look back and say, ang mura pa pala noon?
Some decisions move you forward. The right home does exactly that. Hurry up now.